Good morning, everyone. It is a bright, sunny, early morning, and I am enjoying the drive into town. It is beautiful scenery between my home base and Pahrump, and I enjoy it almost every time I go to town, and today is no exception. Today, we are headed to town to meet my wonderful mechanic, Tom. He is going to do some maintenance work on Phoenix, as well as fix her hydraulic leak that she has but in the power steering or pump or brake lights. We're not sure yet. But, you know, that's just part of maintaining a house, and any rig, especially a vintage one. And I'm excited to go get her done. Let's see what he finds out today.
Air conditioning hose. It's leaking from the fitting here.
So Tom took that out for me because I have to take it to Vegas and get it fabricated, right?
Right.
Because they don't make that part anymore. And that's what y'all need to know when you buy a vintage RV, that you run into that a lot, that parts aren't available, so you might have to have them fabricated, which is what I'm gonna have to do to have the cabin AC operate. Right?
Yeah.
And we ran into that today with the
Power steering gearbox.
Power steering gearbox is what's leaking, which is somehow, how does that have to do with my brakes?
It's because the brakes are ran by the power steering pump.
Okay, okay, and so since there is a gearbox leak, that has to be replaced so that I have power steering and brakes. But that part, we found one. And he tried to save me money and see if he could find somebody to have it rebuilt, and that's not possible. So we're gonna pay to have a part special ordered, and I'm going to, it's gonna take weeks, right? So y'all just be prepared. You think you're saving money, and you might be, but in the long run, you might not be. So just be aware of that when you buy vintage RVs, right?
Right.
Okay, so I am so blessed to have Tom and Heather as friends, and him as a wonderful mechanic that is willing to take such good care of me. And so we will get the part ordered. It looks like it is going to be around $600 for that gearbox for the power steering pump, because they don't make it anymore for an 83, and it's vertical instead of horizontal like it is in most vans, because they changed the chassis. And anyway, so it either you have to do a special order and get it, or go around to all of the junkyards, salvage yards that you can, and try to find it and hope that is a good gearbox. And I can't do that. So my trustee said he is the one that controls my money, and he said that we could do that, and I will be spending my stimulus money to get the repairs done. And I'm so blessed to be able to do that, and I'm so grateful to Tom for taking such good care of me. And like we said, he took that power steering hose off, air conditioner hose off. So hopefully this summer I will be able to have air conditioning, and he fixed my windshield washer wiper leak, and I am good to go. Tom will order the part and get me scheduled, and he is such a good mechanic. is several weeks out. So we'll just see how this plays out. But I am so grateful to be able to get Phoenix taken care of like she needs to be. And you guys take care. And here's Bandit. Bandit, are you there? No, he's laying down. He's like, it's been a tough morning, Mama. So be safe, everybody, and we'll see you down the road, and keep on keeping on.